Okay, so another matrix multiplication question involving the identity matrix. And this one is saying, given that m is equal to the matrix 0, 1, minus 1, minus 1, show that m cubed is equal to I. Again, where I is your identity matrix. And remember that the identity matrix is equal to 1, 0, 0, 1. Okay, now m cubed means m times m times m. So let's write things out properly. That means you're taking m, which is 0, 1, minus 1, minus 1, and you're timesing it by itself 3 times. So 0, 1, minus 1, minus 1. One more time, 0, 1, minus 1, minus 1. Now we've kind of seen the questions like this previously. Just begin by timesing the first two together, then those two with the last one. So let's go and take these first two matrices and multiply those two together. Okay, so you've got that 2 by 2, timesing it by 2 by 2. Again, the first row with the first column. So 0 times 0 is just 0. 1 times by minus 1 is negative 1. If you add them, you're just going to be getting minus 1. Then the first row with the second column. 0 times by 1 is 0. 1 times by minus 1 is minus 1. Add them, you get minus 1 again. Second row, first column. Negative 1 times by 0 gives you 0. Negative 1 by negative 1 gives you plus 1 down here. Second row, second column. Negative 1 times by 1 gives you negative 1. Negative 1 times by negative 1 gives you plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 gives you 0. So 0 goes down here. So you've multiplied through the first two matrices, which gives you this here. And we times this by the third matrix. Okay, so we've done the first two. We then take this part, which is this, and we times it by the last matrix over here, which is 0, 1, negative 1, negative 1, and hopefully that's going to be equal to I. Hopefully. Let's just go and work through this. So now that's going to be equal to, let's go and do it below actually. It's going to be equal to this, so equal to, again, first row with the first column. So negative 1 times by 0 is 0. Negative 1 times by negative 1 gives you plus 1 over here. Good start. That is what you want in the identity matrix. 1 up there. You then do the first row with the second column. So negative 1 times by plus 1 gives you minus 1. Minus 1 times by plus 1 gives you 1. Add them together, you do get 0, which is good because the identity matrix goes 1, 0. Second row, first column. 1 times by 0 is 0. 0 times by negative 1 is also 0. So 0 plus 0 gives you 0 down here, which is good. It's good. It makes sense. Then the second row with the second column. 1 times by 1 gives you 1. 0 times by negative 1 gives you 0. So you've just got 1 overall. So you can see, there we go, that when you times m by itself 3 times, you cube it, okay, you get 1, 0, 0, 1, which is indeed equal to the identity matrix. So just quite a nice little question there. Just working through your skills on multiplying matrices, okay, and that's it. Now, I've got another question on the right, a your turn, very, very similar. Again, just saying if you take m and you cube it, you times this by itself 3 times, it should be equal to the identity matrix 1, 0, 0, 1. Now you can work through this yourself, okay? There's not really an answer. You just got to go and show that this is going to be equal to 1, 0, 0, 1 again. But I'll let you work through that and hopefully you get to your answer. Of course, if you don't, you can always comment or you can see me for extra help during intervention. But that is it for this video. Okay, thank you.